Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 4 Survival, Lesson 1. Please open your class book to page 32. Yes, this page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 4 Survival Lesson 1 Class book page 32 Activity 1 Skills book page 38 Activities 1 and 2 The aims. In this lesson, students will answer WH questions after reading an email. Put sentences in the correct order. Match questions and answers about David's holiday. Unit 4 Survival. Dear students, whenever you find any difficult words, please underline them, look them up at any dictionary, then write them in your vocabulary book or vocabulary store. You are also asked to know the meaning of these words. Activity 1. Read, think, and answer. Do you remember in Unit 1, Ahmed told you that his friend David visited him in Oman? Look at this email from David to a friend about his holiday and answer these questions. Let's read the questions. 1. Where is David today? 2. Where was David last week? 3. Why did they go to the desert? Let's read the email. 2. bin@ikc.com from david@ikc.com. Subject: my holiday. Attachments: Oman.jpg. Dear Ben, I arrived back in Australia today. I left Oman 2 days ago. It took a long time to travel home. I went to Oman to visit Ahmed. It was great. I stayed in Oman for 2 weeks and did lots of exciting things. On my first day, we went on a boat trip to see the dolphins. I took lots of photographs. The next day, we visited Jibreen Fort in the morning. It was fantastic. In the afternoon, we went shopping and I bought some postcards. The day after that, we drove up Jabal Akhdar. It was amazing. We saw a helicopter taking food and materials to the villages at the top of the mountain. The most exciting part of my holiday started the next day. Ahmed's brothers Ali said he would take us into the desert to look for oryx. We had a real adventure. To find out what happened, read my story, Ahmed and David's Amazing Adventure. I really loved Oman. I want to go back again someday. Hope you are okay, David. This is David's email to his friend Ben. Take your time to answer these questions, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Let's answer these questions in order to check your answers. Question 1. Where is David today? Yes, excellent. He is in Australia. Question 2. Where was David last week? Yes, he was in Oman. Question 3. Why did they go to the desert? To look for oryx. Yes, to look for oryx. Let's go to page 38 of your skills book. Unit 4, Survival. Activity 1. Read and order. Read David's email on page 32 of your class book again. Put these sentences about his holiday in Oman in order. You are asked to read the email again and put these sentences in order. Now, take your time, use your pencil, and put these sentences in order, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. So, D is number 1. He went on a boat trip. What's number 2? Yes, A. He visited Jibreen Fort. Number 3, F. He bought some postcards. Number 4, C. He went to Jabal Akhdar. Number 5 is E. He went to the desert. And the last one, B, number 6, he arrived home. Activity 2. Read and match. Match the questions and answers about David's holiday. We have here 4 questions and we have 4 answers here. You are asked to match the questions and the answers. Let's read. 1. Where did you go? 2. Who did you stay with? 3. What did you do there? 4. Did you have a good time? The answers: I stayed with my friend Ahmed. B. Yes, it was fantastic. C. I went to Oman. D. I visited a fort, went on a boat trip, and went into the desert. Take your time, use your pencil, and do the activity. Then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Let's match the questions and the answers. Where did you go? I went to Oman. Yes. So number 1 is C. 2. Who did you stay with? Yes, A. I stayed with my friend Ahmed. 3. What did you do there? I visited a fort, went on a boat trip, and went into the desert. Yes, so number 3 is D. 4. Did you have a good time? This is a yes/no question, and the answer is yes, it was fantastic. B. Now, let's listen to check our answers.
Unit 4, Tape Script 4.1.
Oh, hi, Simon. I've just got back from holiday. Oh, where did you go? I went to Oman. Wow, that's great. Yeah, it was. Who did you stay with? I stayed with my friend Ahmed. Do you remember he visited me in Australia last year? Oh, yes. What did you do there? Oh, lots of different things. I visited Jibreen Fort. I went on a boat to see the dolphins. I went up a really high mountain called Jabal Akhdar, and I went on a really exciting trip into the desert. Gosh, did you have a good time? Yeah, it was fantastic.
Thank you. By this, we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. See you soon in another lesson. Goodbye.